3-track jobs is the point where JobMentis starts working for you instead of waiting on you. Add a job by pasting the link or the posting itself. It pulls out the title, the company, and the description, and scores how well you fit it. The fit score is not a vibe. Open it and you see the dimensions behind it and the specific gaps, which tells you whether to apply now, prepare first, or skip it. Move jobs across the board as they progress. The stage decides what the system offers you next: a tailored CV while you are preparing, a mock interview once you are interviewing. At 3 tracked and rated jobs, your light career report generates on its own: top skills, patterns, the environments you do well in. And every job you add feeds the same shared memory. Your next cover letter is better because of the last posting you tracked. 3 jobs this week. The rest of the system opens up behind them.